Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Kevin Campbell will be one of our super monitoring spirits. Don't come outside one day. Para say Chelsea, Tottenham Hotspur and their fans, they very angry. Like they annoyed. Say Gabriel Jesus choose Arsenal over them because they believe say because they get Champions League football, say then go fit offer a Champions League football, then it's supposed to join one of them. But as he can go pick Arsenal, like the thing going to pain them. So Baba Conde don't say this guy no carry una for mind in the first place. Fabrizio Romano don't talk say like 6 different clubs we are going for him, and he snubbed all of them and said it is Arsenal or nothing. Now only Arsenal in the fight. So make una lick una wounds to get it don't happen. They say it don't happen. And the guy reported the fly over social media say Gabriel Jesus agent Petinati they ask him what do you think about Tottenham Hotspur? Baba Conde talk now. So they be shit. Now shit back at the MP. So this one I call it cause some kind of rivalry. So I don't know what to think. I mean, I noticed that animosity. Like me, say some of my friends will be you, will be Chelsea. They call them say say what do Gabriel see for Arsenal? We can go join them. Well, number one, be saying a playing time 9 months because you know say if you go to Chelsea, if you go to Tottenham Hotspur, if you don't get that playing time we need, and if you don't get that playing time, if you don't select them to join the Brazilian setup when they go for World Cup, because it is a very great honor to represent the badge of your country. So away from that, Arsenal now unveil Matt Turner, the goalkeeper when they signed from New Revelation. You get so I know some of you never know. So as I let you know officially, Arsenal don't unveil him. This guy is 28 years old. He's going to be joining us as our number 2 goalkeeper behind Aaron Ramsdale. So now Leno now we never know in plan. Well, in the coming days, everything will be more and more clearer because we cannot have 3 professional goalkeepers in our ranks now. What's in the happen? So it will make sense. Some would be unhappy because which competition they won't play. Well, anyhow you go, I will let you know. Kylian don't dey fit oh. For those who they ask how far Kylian we know the hear news about that, this and that. Kylian, Thomas Partey, they are 100% fit and are going to join us in our pre-season, and they will join us for our USA tour. Go play some kind of people for USA. You get. So I don't think say you get any notable name with they out injured. I think everybody is fully fit, which is going to be a big boost. So that next season we'll hit the ground running like man. By the time we league go start, so we'll just check our teams. If for pre-season we're going to get a semblance of how our first 11 will be and the kind of formation we Ateta would like to deploy. Whether Ateta will continue for 4-3-3, I've been at 3-4-3, I've been will go 4-4-2, 2 strikers like maybe Edin Keita and Gabriel Jesus. We never know how Baba would like to set up. I've been in favorite 4-2-3-1. I never really know. Well, when the season starts, at least we'll get an idea. Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside the talk say Gabriel Jesus go fly into England this week from Brazil to come conduct in medicals. After he conducts in medicals, then we go sign the contract papers officially to make the deal official. Even though everybody knows say the deal done dey semi-official, you get behind the scenes he has agreed the deal, but you come put pen to paper, come snap all those pictures, no normal and before they come unveil and so yeah. It does time for Arsenal, you know those kind of level now. Now what would they expect? And at this week, I'm waiting on the delay and small because his wife just born baby. So let's see they enjoy, they do celebration. So you go take small leave net to come England, run and once you don't run and the Arsenal unveil am, then it will make sense. A new revolution self don't come outside when they ask us say Moku help them take care of Matt Turner. You know, so Matt Turner is their keeper. And Arsenal not sign up from them, so they call it let us know say this guy na our boy you get when help us take care of him. Make sure say in the high spirits get because the guy good though. If you never watch this Matt Turner for YouTube, Baba go check out. The guy makes sense. The guy get mad reflex. See saves. Go and watch the wipe like 4 different shots. Wow, save. They save like Ramsdale. The guy good. So I just happy say at least even if Ramsdale gets one kind of injury, Matt Turner go still turn up. Well. And when they start to play, we will see what to do because any keeper will good for any league, will good for anywhere because shot no get coloration. You get the face of kind of bombardment of shots. So that's why I just happy say the guy is a good keeper. Even them Edu Gaspar self talk say they don't monitor this guy for very long years. You don't tell me they don't monitor him to show you say their scouting network is there up at top notch. So are they happy? Abubakar don give Dembele 48 hours get to decide in future. Even some people dey talk say na 72 hours dem give am, but all I know be say dem give am ultimatum. And even Fabrizio Romano let us know say im agents don go for Barca to go know alpha say the movement and everything. The agent na Sissoko, so the guy don go Barca go discuss the guy future. Then in the coming days, maybe the next 2 or 3 days, we'll get clarity about this Ousmane Dembele. Is he signing a new contract with Barcelona or is he not signing a new contract? Even Ben Jacobs self-talk say Ousmane Dembele is going to stay in Barcelona. There's no movement. That's why I think Chelsea now, when they almost agree a deal with Man City for Raheem Sterling, because once Chelsea gets the deal with Raheem Sterling done, I don't think they are going for Raphinha anymore. I say Raphinha going for Dembele anymore. So if they're not going for Dembele anymore, then Dembele go get 2 choices. Either you sign a new contract with Barca or you are clubless. So I never know who be the suitors who would like to go for him, because the attraction for that Chelsea now, because the Chelsea coach now, a former coach in Tuchel, we coach am for Dortmund. That's the only attraction we want to carry and go for Chelsea. But if Chelsea is signing a Sterling, it will make sense make him stay for in Barcelona, and if he's staying in his Barcelona, then Raphinha is going to come to Arsenal, because Tottenham Hotspur is not going for Raphinha, Man U is not going for Raphinha, Man City is not going for them, Chelsea is not going for him also. So the only place where he will feel land up now be Arsenal. So I don't see all these permutations, all these variables. So I don't cast my net wide. Well, in the coming days, everything will just super clear like super story. And Fabrizio Romano come even tell us say Arsenal don submit 40 million euros, will be 34 million pounds for Lisandro Martinez. I think I went live yesterday to give the breaking news for those who don't know about them. So Arsenal don offer am, though they never reject the bid yet, you never get any response. Even though some people they don't say Ajax don reject, Ajax don reject. Where you hear say they don reject am? We hold your source. Yes. So I beg make no dey post some kind of news without sources. Anytime we want post for the comment section say so thing don happen, I beg name your source. Shebi dey hear me if I dey talk my own story, I go say according to Fabrizio Romano, according to Ben Jacobs, David Ornstein, Charles Watts, Charles Whitley. I will give you names of professional journalists, names of sources that you can verify the news. Don't just come to the comment section and post something without giving us a source. If you know you can't give us a source, then it is not verifiable. Then don't post it in the first place again. So if you are telling me say Arsenal they don't reject their offer, their second revised bid for Lisandro Martinez, please quote your source or write the name of the source so that I will go to Google and type Lisandro Martinez and your source. Once I type it, the link will come out. I will read it too. I can read too. You get, so do that moving forward. So as of now, there is no publication where I don't see from any reputable journalist say Ajax don't reject the bid. And Fabrizio Romano let us know say they don't offer that bid. So in the coming days, hopefully, we will get clarity, because the difference in our 40 million euros and their 50 million euros where they see them want is not much. The 50 million euros is about maybe 41 million pounds. 41 million pounds minus our 34 million pounds, which is 40 million euros, where we tender to them as our revised offer. The difference is maybe like 7 million pounds. So you no reach to just reject. Instead, you go call Arsenal closer. You get say how we want to do this difference, because Ajax is holding out for 45 million pounds. So how are we going to do, or 41 million pounds rather? How are we going to do this deal? You get, so they will discuss. Okay, maybe to come in as add-ons or bonuses, or if you do something like this, go if you happen to win Champions League or qualify for Champions League, we now go pay all this, all those kind of incentives. So that is what I'm expecting in the coming days. Well, more the watch. The Northern Echo self don come outside and let us know say Newcastle don join the race to sign Raphinha. So I don't know whether Raphinha will be attracted to Newcastle setup, because they are still upcoming senior people when they come. You get, the Newcastle will disturb next season. But with the people who they buy, they will ship back and forth with now. So we have that appeal. You get, at least within Europe, they know they Europe. So why would a Raphinha leave an Arsenal side and go to Newcastle to go and play? That I don't know. Now only Raphinha will feel answer that. Well, in the coming days, like I said, everything will be clearer. Jamie O'Hara said don't come outside. Jamie O'Hara na Spurs senior man. Again, kind of Spurs bias in get. So Baba Kanu say Gabriel Jesus na great signing. You get, say in short, say na like the best signing wey Arteta don sign ever since when he entered that Arsenal. You know, say yesterday I been tell una talk say since I don dey support Arsenal, I think this is one of the best season as an Arsenal fan. You get, they sign some kind of players wey dey give me joy. Like we dey go for, when was the last time Arsenal went for a target and got that target? Like we dey go for somebody and the person self choose us over our rivals. Come on, It don't take what happen. It don't take. So I'm very, very happy. And like when you go for a no-name, a serial winner, that's what we say. Everybody knows he's a fox in the box. If you give him a chance, he go bust her. The guys have been dribble on his own. One on one, if you catch anybody, you know how to wiggle out. Get so though you know get that height advantage to be a target man because he's 5'9", but he can still jump and all, get good jump accuracy. I'm just happy with the deal. Like what is Jamie O'Hara the talk? He's one of the best signings Arteta has made since he entered Arsenal. Even Metro self don't come outside and Fabrizio Romano self they report this news say Arsenal will only sell Saliba. You get if they get a crazy bid, like if somebody give them one kind super bid with them no fit leave. You get saying that the only reason we go make Arsenal sell am. Remember I said myself when at £20 million they offer yesterday, I mean £25 million. They don't buy William Saliba. Arsenal never give them a response, and I know sure say Arsenal will give them any favourable response. So the only reason they give us £100 million, give us 150. Baba will sell you off, go buy another person. Let's see, maybe they don't give us a crazy bid. Ben Jacobs said don't come outside call the talk say forget all the rumor where the year say Arsenal don't pull out of Raphinha race. So say Arsenal they very much in the race. They for this Raphinha race. They won't sign the guy. They're serious with the guy again. Say this week Arsenal and Leeds go do meeting for Raphinha ahead. But they know how they go take come out of this thing. £65 million. But that's reduced price now. Come down or we will structure the deal. Give you some add-ons. Give you some cash. I don't know how they will take structure the deal. But after the meeting where they go hold, we go really know how it is up. Even Fabrizio Romano don't announce that thing before say Arsenal and Leeds don't do meeting, but Baba can talk say next week. And on Sunday he publish that thing. So as he say next week, that's why I can't say next week, but first of all they remind me say CHUKS now this week he go be. Maybe Fabrizio don't forget say Sunday night is the starting of the week, but some people feel say now Monday be the beginning of the week. Well anyway, if you know what yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen, go see the thumbnail. Click and see that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.